and then I will enter. It's 0.32%. This is 32% of the total amount what I have done, or I have expenditure, or I have spent in the total 4-month amount. So let's calculate the same with the same formula with relative cell differences, like from left to right what we have. Let's see if it's work or not. What happened, guys? See over here, we could see what is happening. It's not working. Let's see the next cell. Oh, again it's not. So what's wrong with it? Why it's not working? Let's see what's the issue over here. Double click the value. See, guys, what it is calculating is the same pattern of relative cell differences, which it should not, because we need to calculate by a particular value. Let's see, G4 by G2L. It's showing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 rows, and then calculating it. Then it is again going down, G5 by G13. Then again it's going down, G6 to G11. So this will not work. Relative cell differences will not work for this type of